So in this video, we are going to graph a tangent function in which the standardized equation of a tangent function is y is equal to a tangent b, and we don't need the amplitude of this tangent function since this function is has 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 asymptotes, and so there is still a period. So the formula of period is pi over the absolute value of b. So all we need to do is find the value of b. So let's have an example of y is equal to tangent 1/2 theta. So our our period is pi over b. Our b is 1/2. So simply divide is it's the same as 2 over 1. So we now have a 2 pi. Our period is 2 pi. So we will draw a graph here. Let's say is this will be our period, our 2 pi. So half of 2 pi we need to do to find this missing points is that we need to divide this our period of 1/2. So divide 1/2 is simply as divide 2 is equal to pi, and this point here, all we need to do is add these two values to get, so 2 pi plus pi is equal to 3 pi. So let's put also in this negative side, negative pi, then same as 2 pi, negative 2 pi, and negative 3 pi. Now our asymptote here is here, this here, so this 2 pi, this pi, also this vertical line, and also this 3 pi. So now that we have the asymptotes, the behavior of the tangent function is start at the origin at the center. Since our function is a positive, it rise up in here. Okay, let's have it. It's our starting point. It goes right there up, and it should never touch the asymptote up to the infinity. And also here, it never touches the asymptote up to the infinity. And we can still really, it's just we just need to copy same or the mirror image of that, like this, like that, and same as here, just need like that. So that's how we graph a tangent function. So in this another discussion, we're going to graph a cosecant function. So the standardized equation of cosecant function is y is equal to a cosecant b theta, and our p or the period is, the formula is pi over the absolute value of b. So we have here an example. So we know that the sixth trigonometric function is that in cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So y is equal to 3 sine over 2 theta. And first, we are going to find the graph. We are going to graph this sine function. So let's find the amplitude and period of sine function. So amplitude is 3, or our A. P is the different from the cosecant formula, which is 2 pi over B. Our B is 2. That's it, is 2. So simply we now have a pi period. Our period is equal to pi. So we are going to erase it. We're going to put here our A is equal to 3 and P is equal to pi. So our amplitude is 3. Let's say this is here was our 3, and our period is pi. So let's break it into 4 parts. Half of pi is pi over 2. Half of pi over 2 is pi over 4. And this here is, all we need to do is add these two values. So we have 3 pi over 4. And to graph a sine function is, it start at the origin. It rise up to the maximum, back to the to the point, and it goes to the minimum point, back to the center point, and up to the next one. So all we need to do is connect those dots. So that's the sine function. So to graph the cosecant function, all we need to do is we just need to copy this point here. Say this is our 3. These 4 points here in the x-axis, pi over 4, pi over 2, 3 pi over 4, and pi. So we know that the graph of a sine function is, it would be like this, and to the middle, down to the minimum point, up it rise. So in this function, we now have a asymptote here, so that this point here, this point right here, is now the vertex of our graph in the cosecant function. So all we need to do is that just need to after that draw a graph, same here at this point here. So it's like that. So that's how are we going to graph a cosecant function.